I'm Annie.
And I'm Kathy.
And we're the Thrive Life Sisters. A beverage, warm beverage in cold weather is awesome. And we have got a couple beverages that we're going to make for you today.
Hot apple cider, and I'm going to spice it with a little bit of cinnamon stick.
And a hot chocolate. And we're going to spice it up with peppermint. So it's going to be a peppermint hot chocolate. So I'm just going to put some in the bottom. And usually 4 scoops should do it. Should read the instructions. Are you doing 4 2? Or 2 4? Okay. That smells nice, eh?
It does smell nice.
Okay, let's. Okay, I'm gonna add my hot water.
You can do that.
Okay. We all know what hot chocolate's like, but this is just
about it.
a really nice beverage for a hot winter day.
And this is the hot apple cider for a hot winter's day. A cold winter's day.
Hot summer's day. Oh, that smells really nice. I like this one. And I'm just gonna trim it with that. If you want to use like an essential oil, like if you want to throw peppermint in there, make it a little bit stronger, that's really nice too. You can throw some marshmallows in there, makes it really kind of foamy at the top. Or you can actually do some whipped cream on the top and then some shavings of white hot chocolate or peppermint crumbs. Okay, you're having issues.
Cute. I want it
You've lost the stick. It's at the bottom.
I wanted it to stick out. I was trying, but you know it's there.
Well, we do know it's there. We do. We know it's there. All right.
We just thought we'd share some quick little hot drinks that we like to turn to. It just make you warm and fuzzy. Sorry.
On a cold day. All right, so if you have any beverage, warm beverage suggestions for the just comment below, and we'd be happy to even demonstrate them if you wanted. So
remember to subscribe and click the notification bell, ring the notification bell,
yep,
so that you can be up to date when we post a new video. Thanks for watching, and remember, you can do this too.